In this video, I will show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Jupiter. And the flow is exactly the same on the phone and on desktop, and I'm going to show you how you can do both ways. So what you're going to do is you're going over to the bottom right, and in here you're going to scroll down, and there you see trending sites, and then you see Jupiter popping up. And if it's not popping up for you, then go ahead and click in the search bar and then type Jupiter. But I'm going to click on Jupiter in here. And now we will be redirected to the Jupiter website, and down below here we see Connect Wallet. So let's click on Connect Wallet. And right now it is asking us to connect to a Solana wallet. Click on Phantom Wallet in here. And right now we can click on Connect and make sure that you have the right account. And after you click on Connect, you see at the bottom left, your wallet has been connected. So right now you can go ahead and transfer between Phantom Wallet and Jupiter because you are connected. So that is how you do it. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.